Algebra 1, number 5.6b, evaluating the polynomial. We can evaluate the polynomial by replacing the variable with a number, then figuring out what it equals, calculating it. If we see 3a plus 5 and a equals 6, and that's given to us, we just substitute the 6 for the a wherever we see it. So that'd be 3 times 6 plus 5, or 18 plus 5, that equals 23. And even if the a is in more than one term, we just substitute it for wherever we see an a. So we would end up with 2 times 3 to the second power, and the exponent goes to the 3, plus 7 times 3. Well, that would be 3 times 3 is 9, so we'd have 2 times 9, that's 18, plus a 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 18 plus 21 is 39. We just plug in the given value for the variable and solve it. It's no different than evaluating any other expression. It's no big deal. We have to remember that x, or any variable, is like a blank line. Like in second grade, when we were solving an addition problem or subtraction problem and it was a blank line, that x is the same thing. So if it's said to find the value of this polynomial, and we've got this x here, and it tells us that x is a negative 2, even though that looks like a positive x, if it says x is a negative 2, then it's a negative 2, okay? We rewrite it substituting the negative 2 for x. So the exponent is going to come with, so we've got negative 2 multiplied to itself 4 times. When we do that, we get a positive 16. And for this one, we do the negative 2 multiplied to itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's a negative 8. So we plug that in for that value. And then we have our negative 4 times the negative 2 and minus 4. See? There's our other negative 2. Now we just multiply. We've got 3 times 16, that's 48, plus 5 times negative 8. Negative and a positive makes a negative, so now we have negative 40. And negative 4 times negative 2 makes a positive 8. That's 2 negatives make a positive. We'll bring down our minus 4. Now we just add and subtract from left to right, going straight across, okay? And that gives us 48 minus 40 is an 8, plus 8 minus 4 is a 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. We figured out the value of the base number with its exponent. We multiply the numbers in each term, and then we just add or subtract from left to right. If you don't see parentheses and it's just addition and subtraction, we just go from left to right. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then we add the 2. That's a 5. See? Left to right. Now what if we have a ball is thrown upwards at a speed of 80 feet per second, and its the height it reaches in t seconds is 80 times t minus 16 times t squared. Well, we find the height of the ball after 2 seconds. We plug this 2 in. We substitute the 2 wherever we see the t, because it says t seconds, and it says 2 seconds, so we're going to plug in 2 for the t. So now we have 80 times 2 minus 16 times 2 squared. Well, that's 2 times 2. That's 4. 16 times 4 is 64. Now we've got 80 times 2, which is 160, minus 64. That's 96 feet. See? Do a little subtraction on the side. So we know after 2 seconds, the ball is going to reach 96 feet. See? Now, if it says to find the height of the ball after 4 seconds, did you know that the minus 16t squared is actually the gravity? When we plug in 4 wherever there was a t, we get 80 times 4 minus 16 times 4 squared. Well, 4 squared is 16. So now we've got 320 minus 16 times 16. Do a little math on the side. 16 times 16 is 256. 320 minus 256 is 64. Now we want lower to 64 feet. We went from 2 seconds at 96 feet to 4 seconds at 64 feet. The ball made an arc and is heading back down to the ground. See? At 2 seconds it was here, and at 4 seconds it's coming back down. So it's a smaller number. That's physics. Isn't that kind of cool? So, if you want to see the previous video, we talked about ascending and descending order when we're writing polynomials, or any other of the videos that might help you that are going to be in the description of this video. You'll see links, okay? And we'll talk about combining like terms and stuff like that. I'll put those links in there for you. We're going to talk about adding polynomials in the next video. I hope you're doing okay. I know this can be confusing, but if you watch each video, you'll be okay, all right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.